To open up, pull up on the latch. Your 3.5-inch drive is located right here. To release, push down on the blue tab and pull up on the carrier. To remove the drive, squeeze it out one side at a time and work your way to the front. Place the drive into the carrier one side at a time. Work your way from front to back. To reinstall the drive in the system, simply line it up in the bay and push down, and you will hear it click. To close the lid, make sure you line it up bottom first, and you will hear it click.